Welcome to Rain Rose Channel USA. If you're new to my channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so every time I have a new upload, premiere, or LS, you are. Solar is getting bad again, so I have a person who is coming to clean it. This is my backyard also. My windows, the birds started pooping in there, so yes, and of course the panel, they love it. Look at that, there's even birds there and have lots of poops right now there. There you go. Those need to be removed, so it's gonna clean up that one. So today I have a window and solar panel cleaner and install some spikes and some other stuff in the roof, so birds will not gonna do nest in my roof and not staying also on all my window panels. So I hope this one will gonna help in removing a lot of birds in my roof. There you go. I hope you all like it. God bless you all. So this is the roof and the solar, and you can see there's a lot of poops all over my roof right now, so it's really bad. So there is Gabby, and he's doing our window and doing all the windows are dirty and have a lot of bird poops. There you go. There's the solar and window cleaning, and I see there he already put something on the top. Look at that. I can see it already here. Wow. I'm gonna show it. There he is working. So this is my neighborhood. Look at that. He already put that thing in the top. That's really I want to have. If you guys see it there, that one, yes, I'm so happy. I have one already there. There you go. Yes, that's really the one I want to have in my house. And there is Gabby or Gabrielle. He's coming down right now. Yes, the windows, the birds are starting to poop. So we need to put also stuff in there. There's how they do that. There she is. There you go. See how nice their tools. They have a nice tools right now. Wow. And of course cars are all over my house. I have 6 cars. 2 each. My son have 2, my husband have 2, I have 2. OMG.